In survival scenarios, energy independence is more than just a luxury. It's a necessity. Time of use, TOU, rates can spike your electricity costs, making it crucial to manage energy wisely. One way to achieve this is through solar power combined with advanced storage systems. The article discusses a 9.24 kilowatt solar setup featuring the Sol-Ark 12K inverter and lithium batteries. This system is specifically designed to optimize energy consumption during peak TOU periods, ensuring you have power when you need it most. Imagine a system that stores solar energy during low-cost periods and utilizes it when rates are high, effectively cutting down your electricity bill while keeping you powered during critical moments. Whether you're running a farm, a homestead, or preparing for the unexpected, a TOU solar system offers unmatched energy security. The setup described was installed on a dairy farm, but its applications are broad, benefiting anyone looking to reduce their grid dependency. This solar system not only supports daily operations, but also adds a layer of resilience to your energy infrastructure. For survivalists and preppers, this is more than just a cost-saving measure. It's about securing your future. The ability to generate and store your own power is a cornerstone of self-reliance. Consider exploring how a TOU solar system could be integrated into your preparedness plan. After all, in a world where power can be unpredictable, having a reliable source of energy is priceless.